In today's video, I'll be getting a sew-in done by this girl I found on Instagram that is in my local area. In this video, I'm not going to really talk too much. I'm just going to let you guys watch it. But I did buy the bundles from Amazon. If you guys want the link, just hit me up in the comments and then I'll put the link down. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you guys want me to do next.
I'm going against my own advice. Should I do New York? I can't decide. Fashion week was more your thing than mine. I can't even lie, I'd rather stay inside. I can't do suit and tie. Can't be in one room with you and stand on different sides. One thing at a time, I have to learn to hide. One thing at a time, emotions running high. I wish you felt alright, just hitting my line all the time, all the time. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. You stay on my mind all the time, all the time. Ooh, it takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't lose finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind. You and your sister, too hard to handle. Things will get canceled. I will make time for you. Commitment, going the distance. I'm new to all of this. Yeah. It takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't do finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind. You stay on my mind. Stay on my mind. Yeah. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. Baby, you stay on. You stay. You stay on. Baby, you stay. On my mind, stay on my mind. On my mind, stay on my mind. You stay. On my mind, stay on my mind. So what can I say to you? But I'm off there, had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all bad. You know the truth. I was always holding you down. You down. Baby. What is this for this girl? What is love? Love, what is love? You believe it if I told you all about it? But our pressure just keep adding up. Then we just get mad and fuck. We was living fast at first. That's what get me high enough. All these people always lie about something. I'm sorry, I'm so fly, so what? Fuck, I'm gonna be sorry for.
I was counting zeros. I'm a hometown hero. Niggas, green like CeeLo. These niggas do anything for some C-notes. I work hard.
Hit Mercedes, buy some free cars.
I know, this nigga's worse off. Maybe my sense of reality is turned off. Who the fuck knows? I just make songs. Who am I to tell us how this shit goes? It's sarcasm, by the way.
You wanna be my hero. You won't even do the help. Oh, this shit don't add up. You don't even know the math. Yeah. You said
that it's gon' even last. Sometimes I wanna beat your ass. Wait, you know I won't do that. I'm sorry I say that. Yeah. Swear the fame ain't changed shit but my mind. You see the pattern, can you think a nigga blowing time? Is your blood? What we see ain't what it seems. What is girl? What is love? What's that? What is love?